How's it going, guys? This is TechWar Tactical, and I'm back with this, actually. I had seen ads after ad after ad, and countless influencers, whatever you want to call them, gunfluencers, talk about USCCA, and I never really saw the point. I am still unbiased. I'm still not paid. I purchased their membership with my own money. So this is exactly what you get with their Platinum plan, I believe it is. I went ahead, signed up with them. The bonus gifts, I guess you could call them that, just arrived. I opened it up just to make sure there wasn't any of my personal information in there on a packing slip or anything, and there's not. So let's see what you get with them. This is going to be really quick, and then we're going to break down the portions of what's inside in future videos, which will be released later this week. So let's take a look here. Alright, so this is their grab-and-go survival kit. Like I said, we're going to be breaking this down. Oh, and it's branded. I didn't even know that it was branded with them. That's kind of cool. I don't know whether that flag patch is removable, but we'll figure that out in the following video. And, of course, this bonus, a Pelican Vault, which we'll also be opening. Oh, looks like some of their paperwork. And that's, I guess, my individual code if you want to use mine anyway. And a sticker, because everyone loves free stickers. So this is the basic breakdown of what you're going to be getting with them as an intro, at least currently. So I can only assume that they'll change it over time. But this is what you'll be getting right now. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one where we're going to be unboxing and taking a better look through these goodies. See you in the next one.